on to episode 18 of a van build.
18 already. Doesn't time fly?
I know. It's just going to be a short one this week. It seems like we've been doing heaps. There's not that much to show. But first up, Mike's going to put some liquid rubber on our roof to stop it leaking. So Mike's going to paint our roof with some of this liquid rubber. Try and stop any future leaks. A Turnercoat silicone roof coating. Needs a good stir.
You're good at stirring.
So we've had to wait for a fine day to do this. Well, we've had a few fine days, but we weren't ready to do it then. I was expecting the stuff to be a lot thicker, but it just looks like normal paint. Had a bit of a problem with a leak on here. For some reason it just keeps leaking. He's tried replacing this.
The water just sort of sits there, and as soon as you touch it, it then drops. So
he's tried a lot of stuff. He's tried replacing this. He's put stacks of sealant on, but yet it still leaks.
It's just that bit down there.
Yeah. So we don't really want to put the sides on until we've got the leaks fixed. So that's why that hasn't been done yet.
And until side goes on, we can't paint the shower.
No. It's a little quick update. All the cupboards in along there, all the cupboards in there, these cupboards in here and here, all got their little struts on them. There you go, little gas struts there, spring struts here and there. So I've still got this bit up here to deal with. So Mike's going to...
I've been putting it off.
So what are you going to do?
I'm going to put some insulation up there, and then I'm going to put some plywood, thin plywood up here, and I'm going to put some tongue and groove over the top of it.
Okay, yep, sounds good. So Mike's drilled some holes in the bed bases and painted them. That one's got lots of holes in it, but I thought it was too many holes, so he didn't put quite so many holes in that one. He's going to fit them down in the van. Mike's got the bed base down. Looks alright. Mike's also installed some coloured lights down here, which are pretty cool. Look at that! Dance party, Mike!
Yeah, shall we?
Yes, let's do it!